The circular formwork ORBIS is a practical circular formwork system that delivers smooth, curved walls from radii of 3 meters upward steplessly. The system is used for the construction of biogas plants, silo towers, garage entrances, reservoir, and other round structures. The focus of the system lies on efficient working on the construction site. This circular formwork enables a cost-efficient realization of complicated geometries with variable radii. The system consists of pre-assembled steel panels, which can be quickly adjusted to suit the required radius simply by turning the spindles. The maximum permissible fresh concrete pressure is 60 kN per square meter. This circular formwork is available in 2 variants, with or without tie rods. The variant without tie rods transfers the external ring tension force, as well as the internal compression force, to the turning spindles. The realization of circular structures with the formwork without tie points facilitates tight construction. The ORBIS circular formwork is also compatible with other interfamma formwork systems, and they can easily be combined with one another.